Back at it again. We're going to mess with this piano / buttons.
So let's take it apart. Here's the workstation. We're just going to go crazy, you know, guys? So anyway, let's just cut to a time lapse of taking everything off.
Alright, there we go. Alright, putting this down. Very important piece. Oh, look at this. There we go, guys. And this is the best way to remove the battery pack. Alright guys, so here's a close-up view of this thing. We have all the keys right here, and we have this, a miniature circuit, and basically it's going to give the feedback from every time you click one of these, bring it through this cord right here, and it will send it to this, and this will transfer that into the sound coming from the speaker right here. And that speaker will be useful because we will definitely take that off.
Yeah, let's actually do that right now, guys.
Alright, so the speaker system is right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
okay.
a really tiny speaker right there for you. And here's the connectors.
Yeah, there's a tiny driver and a small magnet inside this. Anyways, let's zoom you up.
You could actually look at the speaker while it's playing sound. That would be interesting. That is weird. It's vibrating and it's funky.
You can feel the top of that vibrating speaker.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and actually unplug these circuits right here.
Oh, that's satisfying. Now we have the world's ugliest piano right here, guys. What you came for the video to watch. So we have the key, the buttons for the actual piano itself on the top. And then we have the things that it's hitting when you tap the keys, and this is pretty bad.
We have to put the freaking batteries in. We must play the cheap piano of trash. Woohoo! Let's play a song. Let's play a song. You know. Oh, what button does?
We have it right here, the speaker. Watch closely, guys. See this? Guys, this is the worst.
Subscribe to Tech Enthusiast.
Let's put 2 on there. This is our anthem. Putting this inside a custom piano case built by Gman and ZFD.
A cardboard box, you loser. Because we can actually afford a cardboard box. Alright, we're here in the garage, guys. What should we use?
This is quite long, so probably not that one. What do you think?
Pan?
Pan?
High technological pan.
Oh, yes.
Welcome to the Panhandle. We have pizza.
Welcome to the Pan Show.
Was this long enough?
No.
We'll take... Nah,
it's much longer. I think it's like about this long. So,
we'll keep it anyway, just in case.
Yeah. It could be useful. So, what do you think?
This box. huge.
That works.
Yeah. This one.
DIY, guys. Break your piano to create an even worse one right now.
We're gonna take this, and we also need normal scissors too.
Where are the
Frick,
scissors?
I just dropped them, and then almost laid on my foot. This is weird.
Subscribe to Tech Enthusiast right now.
Yeah.
Or else.
We are enthusiasts of
Hammers.
tech. We should get, do we need staples?
Yeah.
Probably staple it, yeah.
We definitely
So
need that.
we already have staple gun. So you can hold those,
Here.
and I have this one too.
I got
And
the stuff.
let's see, we'll have a screwdriver just because if we want to screw anything back onto the cardboard. And let's go look and find, let's find
locate it.
scissors.
Kill that baby.
All right. And scissors. All right, let's go get to work on our DIY project. We'll make an epic time lapse of this really cool experiment involving stupid people making stupid things. Thank you for subscribing, guys. You know, we really like doing this, and you probably like watching it. If you want to see us do it more, drop a like. Every single like makes us happy.
All right, I think this is definitely thick enough for that.
Yeah, that'll work.
Hard drive required. All right, with a few magic, we can actually make this all combined to make epic military grade keyboard. Alright guys, let's give you a rundown of this. This is where the power comes from, the power source. And Gman cut this box and put this inside of it. So, very handy there. And we have these two. I cut these out and then put them in there. And we tape them down and we have the on-off switch here. So this is definitely better than the original piano right here. Definitely more professional, and if you are a professional piano user that uses a Yamaha, let's say, just buy this instead. It's cheap, it's like $5, and you can get a cardboard box for it in a really nice grayish trash color here. And let's close it on up and turn it around for the epic reveal.
Well, I'm excited, I haven't seen it yet. Oh.
Alright guys, let's just put the final pieces of tape.
No, let's just flip it over right now.
Flip it
Let's see
over
what it
right
looks
now,
like on
guys.
this side, yeah. Whoa! Look at that. Look at how many different functions there are. We've got power button, we've got speakers, we've got buttons.
With hooks sticking right out for your fingers right here, guys. You see this?
Yeah, we're gonna keep working on it, and then it'll be perfect, okay?
Come on, alright, we're gonna celebrate one more time. Celebrate and dance so free.
We have finished the initial design. We plan on upgrading it some more, making it like the ultimate media system. But this is it for now. Anyway, drop a like if you want to see it into like the ultimate media system. There we go, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's start playing it.
Make sure to subscribe.
That's vibrating. It's so fun. It'll be a 50-cent piano. Making a 50-cent piano.
And that's our anthem. Thank you for watching. Oh.
Well guys, we went from this stupid, overpriced piece of junk that is literally nothing but trash. And we don't do that because this is a tech channel. Out the freaking door! We have this instead, with over 500 gigabytes of useless redundant memory, or as I like to call it, redundant actual memory or RAM. It has 500 gigabytes of RAM. We also have song button. We have high quality, high-res speaker. We have volume button. Which one is volume button?
More work on this coming soon, guys. Make sure and stay tuned. Subscribe right now, and we're gonna make this even better, worse than ever before in the coming videos. But stay tuned for the hard drive killing hard drives video.
Hold on a second. I'm going to mess with this.
One more time, it's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, it's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, it's got me feeling so free. We're gonna